Are you tired of traditional eggs? If you're bored, you can't miss this video. In this video, I will share with you 3 tips for making extremely delicious and fun egg dishes. Let's go into the video. First, I cracked 6 eggs into a bowl. Next, gently separate the egg yolk into a separate bowl using a spoon. At this step, simply work slowly, sliding the spoon under the yolk to separate it. Next, in a large bowl, I placed a large, heat-resistant glass cup inside. I poured boiling water inside to rinse it evenly, allowing the cup to heat up gradually. Then I took the cup outside. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. For the egg whites, I gently whisked them with a fork to mix them evenly, then slowly poured the entire mixture into the glass. I poured hot water into a pot. I placed the cup inside the pot, making sure the water level reached the rim of the cup. I used a small plate placed on top of the cup like a lid to keep it warm. Then, I kept the water simmering gently for about 20 minutes. For the bread portion, I placed 6 sandwich slices on the cutting board. Then, use a glass to gently press down on the surface to cut out perfectly sized round slices of cake. I placed the round loaves of bread into a muffin baking tray. Next, I cut the cheese into small pieces and arranged them in the mold. Next, I carefully rolled the smoked bacon and placed it along the edge of the mold to create a beautiful wraparound layer. It's so wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I cracked the egg yolks into each mold. Finally, I sprinkled some grated cheese on top to add richness and create a beautiful golden crust after baking. Add finely chopped green onions enhances the flavor of the dish, bringing a distinctive aroma and making the food more appealing. Once finished, I gently placed the entire tray into the oven. I baked it at approximately 190 degrees Celsius, about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes. Maintaining a stable temperature will allow the egg whites to solidify slowly, forming a smooth, firm mass. At this point, I use a small plastic tube or a lightweight round tool to gently create a hollow channel through the center of the egg white. This is what creates the very interesting effect in the next step. I whisked all the separated egg yolks, then slowly poured them into the hole I had just created, making sure the yolks were neatly contained inside. Once finished, I put the lid back on and continued to keep it simmering for another 20 minutes to ensure the yolks were fully cooked. Once the eggs in my steamer were cooked, I took them out and let them cool. When the eggs are cool, I use a round mold to gently press and shape the egg mass, helping to make the surface more even and visually appealing. Now you have a long egg. When sliced with a knife, you'll see that each piece of egg has the yolk in the center, surrounded by a uniform layer of egg white, creating a very unusual and interesting shape. This is a small trick, but it will surely surprise everyone when they see the egg dish presented at the table. While baking, the bread at the bottom will become slightly crispy. The bacon will gradually change color beautifully, and the cheese on top will melt and coat the egg layer. When taken out of the oven, each egg cup is neatly shaped and very appealing. The lightly crispy bread, combined with the egg, creamy cheese, and fragrant bacon, creates a breakfast dish that is both visually appealing and nutritious, perfect to enjoy while still hot. It's so wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now I'm going to cut a tomato into bite-sized slices or pieces. Tomatoes are a popular fruit worldwide. We can eat them raw or use them in cooking, both ways offering delicious flavors. Arrange the tomato slices on the parchment paper, lining the tray of the air fryer. Next, I placed the tray in the oven and baked it at 180 degrees Celsius, approximately 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 5 minutes. This step helps the tomatoes soften, release their natural juices, and create a very appealing base for the dish. I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and pepper. Next, I chopped up a few olives and added them to the bowl of eggs. And mix well. Once the tomatoes in the fryer were cooked, I took the tray out and slowly poured the entire egg mixture over them. Along with that, I chopped up a sausage and added it in. The layer of tomatoes underneath adds a subtle sweetness to the dish, while the olives and sausage create a rich flavor and vibrant colors. I put the tray back into the air fryer and baked it at 160 degrees Celsius, approximately 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes, so that the egg mixture would slowly cook and bind with the other ingredients. When the egg surface was almost finished, I took the tray out and sprinkled a layer of grated cheese on top. Add some chopped parsley and continue baking for another 3 minutes. When the cheese had melted and turned slightly golden on the surface, I removed the dish from the air fryer. This dish is a baked egg with tomatoes, sausage, and cheese, featuring a rich, creamy topping, a smooth egg base, and the sweetness of tomatoes combined with the savory flavor of sausage. It's perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. So today, we've been in the kitchen together, sharing many different egg-making tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.